If you want to clean up your inbox without deleting important messages, archiving emails in Yahoo Mail is a simple and effective option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to archive emails in Yahoo Mail step by step so you can organize your inbox quickly and keep everything easy to find later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside your inbox, look through the list of emails and find the message you want to archive. You can archive one email or several emails at the same time, depending on what you need. To archive a single email, start by selecting the checkbox next to that email. This tells Yahoo Mail which message you want to act on. If you want to archive more than one email, simply check the boxes next to each message you want to move out of the inbox. This is a great way to tidy up your inbox in just a few clicks. After selecting the email or emails, look at the top toolbar in Yahoo Mail and click the Archive button. Once you click it, Yahoo Mail will remove those messages from your inbox and store them in the archive. The emails are not deleted, so you can still search for them later if you need to find them again. That's the key difference here. Archiving helps you keep your inbox organized without permanently removing important conversations, receipts, confirmations, or work messages. It's one of the easiest ways to reduce clutter while still keeping your email history safe. If you ever want to view archived emails later, you can use the search bar in Yahoo Mail to look them up by sender, subject, or keyword. Since archived messages are still part of your account, they are easy to retrieve whenever you need them. So to quickly recap, open Yahoo Mail, select the email by checking the box, and then click Archive. That's all it takes to archive emails in Yahoo Mail. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.